Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing this derailleur. Or is it pronounced derailleur? Because it looks like a French spelling. I don't know. You can let me know in the comments section. But my grandson was riding this bike, and he jammed up the chain so hard, and evidently he must have put his full weight on the crank, and he twisted the chain, and he broke the derailleur. Looks like this. I was able to straighten the chain out, but from what I could tell, it's a Shimano model RD T as in Tom, Z as in Zebra 31A. So I did some searching around. Found this on Amazon. Not a sponsor. Got a replacement. Same model number. Made in communist China. Never worked on a bike before. Well, yes, I have. I've repaired flat tires, but I've never worked with one of these things before. So let's see if I could get this thing on. Oh, by the way, they give you a little instruction pamphlet. It's not a pamphlet; it's a leaflet. Various languages, but they're going green, so there's no instructions here. They just tell you to scan this QR code or go to their website and download their manual. So I need to do that. I printed out a photo from the internet just of not related to the Shimano website. I just wanted to make sure I get the configuration right when it's on the bike. And I found the website, shimano.com. There's a lot of details here about tuning it up. There's a B screw and an A screw for adjusting the derailleur. And I could not find a link in the chain, so I think I'm going to have to pull off one of these pulleys to get the chain in there and then reinstall the pulley. And I noticed that this wire here has to be 30 millimeters or less. Here's the bike. It's a Schwinn Ranger. Gonna be working right here. Gonna take this 3 millimeter screw out of here so I could get the chain looped through here. And I'll loosen this other one as well, right in there. Put that sprocket back on. That's the wrong hole, of course. Goes right here. And I didn't get the chain through this gate here, so I got to do it again. And this part goes up against here. And there's a little notch on here that corresponds with a notch on there. This is 6 millimeters, by the way. This old piece broke off of the old one. This matches up with that. Just take that off. Lead that through here. This nut is 9 millimeters. I got a little more than 30 millimeters on the slack on that end right here. Still looks kind of loose, but I'm going to leave it at that for now. Okay, that's the farthest it's going. I got to get it adjusted so it goes to that bigger gear. I don't know which screw that is. Okay, the problem is I got to pull this cable out a little more. It's a 9 millimeter. Okay, got a little bit more in. So this screw, it's a lower screw, but the bike is upside down. So when the bike is right side up, it's going to be the top screw. This is the one that adjusts the chain travel to the smallest sprocket. I got adjusted properly now, so I got to work on the adjustment on the large sprocket. Okay, on this screw, which goes up to the larger gear, I noticed when I turn the screw all the way in, it won't even get up to the third largest gear. So I turned it down, and it was getting up to the second largest gear and then popping down to the third largest gear. So then what I did was I turned this out counterclockwise, and now I'm getting up to it's running on the second largest gear. I could get it up, I could get it up to the larger gear, but then it pops down to the second larger gear. And I could even get past it, but then the derailleur wants to take it back down to the second largest gear. So I don't know how to adjust that. I'm going to throw in the towel. Let me know how to get this running right. Just leave a comment in the comment section. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.